Alright guys, we're gonna clean up all this bird shit. You know, this is an everyday thing. Here's before and here's after. Alrighty, now that we got all the bird shit swept up, we can see old girl. Yeah. Alrighty, boom. Now that we got some workspace, let's pop the hood. Hey. Hey. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with these old tail lights. Still minty fresh, you know. But yeah, let's pull the creeper out. Let's check her out, man. If you check out right down and in here, you can actually see where the motor mount bracket is pulled out, which is causing the engine to sit in the wrong position. Alrighty, well, if you really weren't too sure what I was talking about, this is the piece. I got it ready to be replaced. I'm actually waiting on a package in the mail for some new motor mounts, 1 and 2. And once those come in, throw the car up on a lift and get these parts and pieces put in so we can go for a test drive. Alrighty. So now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing these interior pieces with these tools here. And I got some new ones to kind of just test fit. So here's before. This one's actually metal. And here's after. This is like a light blue, actually, believe it or not. And then this is what the silver would look like in comparison. Way different. Alrighty, boom, got this piece off here. The wood grain interior trim. Let's check out the difference. We got some different ones to throw on today. I think I'm gonna go with this blue color. Looks real nice. Got the bigger piece, and we got the radio piece as well. So yeah, let's get started. So I've already got this piece here removed. I got some of my door panel clips here. And yeah, I'm just gonna install them here and then install. So I actually think I'm gonna start with this piece here. What you're gonna need to do is just stick your tool in, kind of find where it's gonna pop out, and work your way through the trim. Oh, it's starting to come. Let's get it. Alrighty, boom. So with this piece removed, now we could work on getting the radio piece out. So I'm guessing you just install there, pull here, get your clip underneath here, and it should just pop on out. So the next step is going to be to transfer these rods onto the new piece, but it doesn't look like we can do that. So luckily I have some clips here from the junkyard, and I believe that something like this should just be able to slide on like so. So that way you can press it in. Alrighty y'all, so here's the difference. We got the blue interior trim in now. Looks pretty sweet. Like it a lot more than this wood. And actually it's some weight reduction. I swear this piece right here probably weighs 15 pounds. This piece right here, it maybe weighs 5. I will be waiting on some newer style clips for the car, and I will make a different video on fully installing the trim. Thanks for watching. Peace.